this is part 2 because I accidentally clicked stop on. So this is how you're supposed to do it. Like you're gonna get it. Go abang I can't get the seed out. Oh, you're done. Machine done. So here, and use my other one. Okay. I put blocks around it instead because I think for the flip. Ang ano? Instead ko, kailangan ko shower rolling mo ay inside inahalang ito. Uy, tabang! Okay, now that you're done with that, we're gonna do the other one. Dili, give you like football. Kaya, kasi mag-new si imong plant ba? RIP, did na. Agay na. Kasi naman ang dayon, baha na, dili So, anyways, that's all guys. Bye!